This time of year, we're doing a lot of holiday parties, which means we're doing a lot of hairstyles, and we want to give you some tips today. Some simple tips with Jennifer Johnson from Produce. Hi, lovely.
Hello.
Your hair looks beautiful.
Thank
Love
you.
the new color.
Thank you.
Bright and beautiful.
Thank you.
You know, makes me want to go back to blonde. It's just like, I don't color mine anymore.
You usually do that in the
Craig.
summer, but for some reason.
Nope. Got married. I'm like, sorry, Craig. Got to give my hair a break for a hot second. Okay,
good, though.
talk to me. We've
Okay,
got three
so-
different tools and three different hairstyles.
Yep, so we're going to just go simple with just curling your own hair for holiday parties. So let's first talk heat. If your tool allows you to put in a specific heat temperature, 390 to 400.
Okay.
Anything above 400 and it's damaging unnecessarily.
Okay. Good to know, which I love mine. I have a Bioana too.
I love
and
this.
It's one
Love
of my
that
favorites.
brand.
So I totally do too.
Heat
spray?
protection. So this is new from Living Proof. This is a game changer for us.
And you
Blow
love
dry
that
bar.
brand, right?
Yes. We spray this on before we apply heat directly. So game changer.
Tell me
Protect
this,
your hair.
do you always do it when your hair's dry?
Dry.
There's some that you can put on like more of an oil that's before,
yeah,
right? But
and
does
a
that
lot
not
of
help at all?
products have heat protector in it. It's just if I am going to actually apply heat straight to my hair, I'm going to always spray this in first dry.
Okay, okay, but that's a good brand.
Yes, love that one.
So you can do the wavy.
So the waver, and I'll show you in a minute how to section. I'll do that on the curling iron, but I cringe when I see the line all the way around the head, so I'm here to help.
Okay, tell me.
So all you'll do is on your top section, make sure that you switch, so you do it this direction. On your next piece, switch your barrel.
Oh.
And then the
It's
next
that simple,
piece,
and then you won't have the line.
you won't have the line. And it'll look more like your hair's naturally wavy.
Tell me this though, I mean, because you do kind of get like that hard line on,
Just don't
depending on
push
which
as
way.
hard.
So maybe go soft right there.
Softer on that, and then hard all the way down, but then switch it.
Easy.
Then you don't
Brilliant.
have the line.
Okay, and I'm a big fan of the waves, although
Me
with short
too.
hair, it's
Super
just
popular.
not as, it's a little too, you know, 80s. It's a little too much.
80s were good, though.
Yeah, they were real good. Okay, but then you can get a look like that, and bonus
Love
with
that
the
look.
look like that, you can then pull it up in a ponytail.
Yep,
I
pull
swear
one
the next
side
day,
up.
you just have
Yep.
to do a little touch up. It's
Yep.
so easy.
Yep.
Okay,
Love
super
that
cute.
look.
Next one.
Okay, curling iron. I'm just going to show you. You're going to want to section your own hair. If you're going to curl it yourself, you're going to want to section it, probably 1-inch sections, and always start at the bottom. And then take your next section and work your way from the bottom to the top. But with your curling iron, you'll take it, you'll start at the root, click down, roll up, click
And then back down.
Yep.
Okay.
And then curly ends versus straight ends. You just need to decide if you're going to go all the way down
Yep,
or
totally.
not. And also, I took one for the team today, and I curled
It actually looks really cute.
towards my face on one side versus away, just to show you the different looks that you can create. One's a little more formal and fancy versus just kind of that loose,
a little bit
peachy
more
way.
loose.
So.
Really cute. And I actually don't mind for some.
Kind of
you're pulling it
asymmetrical.
off. Yeah, you're pulling it off for some
Thank you.
reason. Not
Thank
everyone
you.
could. Okay, but just either way, you can do the curl depending on probably the party. Right?
Correct.
That
Yep.
probably
Yep.
helps. Okay, when it comes to blowouts, I hate doing them on myself.
Yeah, they
You guys
are a
great.
bit of a challenge. So if you're willing to tackle it, I'm just going to suggest for volume. So you're going to want to wrap your hair around the brush and hold it straight up and down on every time you blow dry it. It's going to be straight up. That's what's going to give you that volume. So make sure you're never round brushing your hair down. You're going to have flat hair.
Oh, see, all these things. I'm like, this is why my hair just never looks quite as perfect as I would like it when I go to Produce. This is
And
an
then
easy way.
lastly, you want it to stay up as long as it can while it cools. So you can just put rollers all day long.
Do you know if I don't have my rollers, I use my roller brush.
Oh my gosh,
I literally
brilliant.
go around and Colby, trust me, the first time Colby saw me here, he thought I was crazy. Hey, if you don't want to do any of this yourself, go to a Produce location and they can do it for you. It is magic. I love it. Where can they go for more info?
ProdueBlowDryBar.com.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Jen.
Thank you.